going on?
I don't know. Let's go get something to eat at Bummz.
All right, let's do it. Another stormy day in Myrtle Beach. Let's go eat some clam chowder.
A lot of empty spaces here.
But they do have indoor and outdoor dining. And then in the summertime, they also have patio dining. Pretty nice.
But right now, it looks like a monsoon, huh?
Look at that rough waves. Better than sitting out in the storm. Bad weather. Come on in. So I decided to go with a bowl of clam chowder. Okay. And look at that delicious clam chowder. Yum. Look at the heat coming off of it. All right. And Beatbox decided to go with a cheeseburger.
Here's a look at the inside.
It's nice and quiet here.
Yeah. It's not as chaotic like it is outside, but they got a bar on the inside, bar on the outside. And this is a great place during the summertime. See, have to close it off for the winter.
Well, there you have it. What mermaid doesn't like a good hot bowl of clam chowder on this rainy, cold day here in Myrtle Beach?
Another storm right here on the boulevard.
And you're wondering what to do? You don't have to stay in. You can always come out, get a drink, and get a good view at the ocean.
Well, yeah, at least we got a chance to look at the ocean.
That's right. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, so you too can keep beaching in the storm.
See you in the next video.